Yes, Jala University Radio on FM 92.5. I did tell you. The program where they tell you about where they make you scouts across the nation. Yes. The program where they tell you about the people to the people. The program where they give you the information. The program where they tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Right, stay tuned. Teabaski said this morning, he said I want for greet all my listeners. Stay tuned. He said this morning I can't find one. I did tell you. He said call your family, call your neighbor. And sit down here, you get your set. I said because I don't want where the chocolate person other. Here you reduce by what you are the talker. He said better let you get some fine one, yeah. If you get the opportunity for record them. Yes. Teabaski say in the chocolate in the way they happen. He say not afraid though. He say a patriotic Sierra Leonean. Yes. He say a born citizen of Salone. Yes. He say in fact first class citizen. I tell you this morning Teabaski say he say quick one make I put me inside the basket and go at the headlines there before we go inside the details. Stay tuned for that one day this morning. Teabaski said this morning, he said Mokonde inside the basket, yeah? What's up, waiting up inside Mokonde? Stay tuned for that one day. Yes, I did tell you. Anyway, Teabaski say, he said even inside the north inside the basket, yeah? The northern province. Yes. Mayolo checkpoints inside the basket this morning. What's happened at Mayolo checkpoints? What's happened? Stay tuned for that one day this morning. Yes. Quick one again. Teabaski say. He said the Minister of Justice and the Attorney General inside the basket this morning. Yes. I did tell you. Stay tuned for that one day. Teabaski say. He said the main opposition party inside the basket. Yes. What's happened? Remain opposition. What's happened? Stay tuned again. Teabaski say. I did tell you about they make you scores across. Yes. I did tell you. Teabaski say he want for reminder. Yes, Papa government for the thing that way they don't put in place. You know they don't all project them. Yes, but anyway, Teabaski say make you stay tuned for that one day. They say he go give details for time, yeah. I did tell you. Teabaski say ACC Anti-Corruption Commission they inside the basket this morning. Finally inside the basket. Teabaski say one popular musician inside the basket this morning. Very popular musician. Oh, we all Sabina Salone. What's up with the musician? What's up? Stay tuned for that one day, huh? I did tell you. And these are the headlines. Sanitation inside it. Stay tuned for that one day. Teabaski say, it's a bongology. Yes. Bongology one bongolizer. Stay tuned for that one day. Waiting up, but stay tuned for that one day, huh? Quick, one make go inside the details this morning. Yes. Teabaski say inside Mokonde town. He said the Baba they don't have up a click business. Yes. He said the Baba they don't have up a club business. And black pool, and white pool, waiting no pool. Yes. Teabaski said don't they get evidence. He said the Baba the club business when they pay. You know they yield good food. Yes. Then club business all are fets. Yes. Then club business all are riots. Then club business all are threatening remarks. Yes. Then club business are tic business. Yes. All the club business. Yes. Like Dakadeke. Yes. But Teabaski said that's in the way they go on. They say the personalities and the police and the watch. Even the community stakeholders them. They say the picking and parents and they around. When they lay on and G son and then they go big. Then they cry, then they pull all kind of water out of the eye. Teabaski say, hey. They say they don't set trap for them, but the way they pack click business inside Mokonde town. Yes. They don't see nothing for do. They say that they pack click business. And we all learn to see how club business done the turn trouble now in the country. Yes. But Teabaski said this why they team up Tkangawana. And they make sure say they protect more on the community. Yes. They say any baba way lay on papa club business. Way be saying a dangerous business. Yes. So he dey pa fet. He dey pa cos. He dey pa tif. All in the name of club. Teabaski say we see lay on by you. Or he set here by you. They make sure say you go. They say that one day not hesitate self. Yes. They say because today we want to see patriotic Sierra Leoneans. They say we want to see youth man and a gap up in a very good manner. Yes. They say as youth of this nation, as youth of this community, we get for stand stronger. We get for stand still for see the promotion right of we individual communities. Yeah. We not for the perfect business again. They say so you wait they say you dey parent club business then a fet business you dey pa. Yes. And what taking money at your basket now? They say then club they are. Then get big people the way they support them club they are. Then get big people that are the community where they lay and parent club they are. They sponsor them but they are. But Teabaski say that one day all they gather information. They say they gather all in findings them. Yes. Them but they want tower for paper click business. Fet business chuk all cutlass, all shovel. Yes, all axe. He say you don't turn rebel. But Teabaski say that one day they get the information. He say get all one by one. Yes. He say them parents you don't need to watch. He say so if you're not parents you don't say picking up para one day. It's high time you call them and advise them because we want to see a peaceful atmosphere. Yes. Teabaski say but we want to see a peaceful Mokone. Yes. I did tell you. Coco Bebo, the big bo. Say bo salon we all small bo, we sabi we self. Ebo. Salon bo, we sabi we self bo. I did tell you. Teabaski said just to see the studio. He said the studio hot this morning. I didn't tell you. Anyway, next to the other item. Teabaski said he said then catch one suspect inside my hollow checkpoints. I am the north. He said this man they come on McKinney, they try for go to Wascono. And each that this checkpoint he get bagger. Yes, inside this in bag the police and said no, paddy, you know they pass law watch inside this bagger. Waiting up, they watch inside the bagger. Can you imagine? Oh, Salon, the nation just the worst. And they tell you, they watch inside this man, they see AK-47. And they tell you, AK-47 gun with 22 rounds bullets inside this man in bagger. Yes, this man they come all the way from McKinney. They try to go towards the towards Kono. Inside my hollow checkpoints. Yes. Now they then catch this man with this in bagger. When they open the bag, they watch inside the bagger. Can you imagine? The bag they get AK-47 with 22 rounds bullets. Yes. They catch this man and say, okay, you know one suspect. Yes. And luckily, then they get for handover to the police station there. And this man, they don't forward and go McKinney police station. Yes, for further investigations. This are just alarming for we when a police personnel them. When a patrol personnel them. Yes. We when a security personnel them. Let we not forget for the check. Yes. Don't get familiar to people. Yes. When them posting and then checkpoint that you get for open bagger. Open back boots them. As we all know how the country don't they go now. Yes. Can you imagine? If they not be open that mind bag now, can you imagine? Other man be don't set that down so far. Yes. Oh, Salon. Anyway, we want to see a good Sierra Leone. We want to see a patriotic Sierra Leone, yeah? Salon, and we all get some bo. We get for be peaceful. We get for be peaceful, yeah? Stay tuned for that one day. Yes. Teabaski said, dear. He said this is an alarming to all the security personnel them. He said this is an alarming to all the security checkpoints them. Yes, it's high time we begin check back boots them. We begin check them back them. As we all know what's on the happen, Yes, he said we all for be with brother's keeper. We all for be with brother's keeper, yeah? Salon we get them. Salon we own. Nobody know they make salon for you. Now we get time. Now we get for make salon sweet. Yes. Salon are we on bow. So Teabaski said this guy, this suspect when always this AK-47 with 22 rounds bullets. Then we get for hand them over here. Right now, Eden and McKinney police station for further investigations. Teabaski said they follow up that one day. Who that send out, who that not send out, outside they go, outside no they go. Waiting at target, waiting at mission. Teabaski said they follow up for good and details on that, yeah? I did tell you, oh salon. Anyway, Teabaski say they go to the other news item. Another detail inside the basket this morning. They said the Attorney General and the Minister of Justice, AGMJ, right? Anyway, they said they don't pull banner. So all the one the way they name they inside the white paper. The Attorney General and the Minister of Justice. They say, hey, all the one the way they name they inside the white paper. They say, on no account and travel. Whether by air, whether by sea, whether by land. I did tell you. Whether by breeze now. I did tell you. He said, on no account. On no account, them people they have for travel out of the country. Yes. Why the Attorney General and Minister of Justice say that one day? Yes. Yes, the name they inside the white paper, yeah? And I tell you the Attorney General a copy the Inspector General of Police, a copy the Minister of Internal Affairs, a copy the National Security, the ONS, National Office of the Securities. And they tell you a copy. Yes. They say, but no, but then guy they are enough for travel. At all, enough for travel, yeah. But stay tuned. Teabaski say go continue for the key updates. So what's the update of the white paper? Teabaski say make it stay tuned for one day. They go continue for the key details on the white paper, yeah. And things already happen inside State House, things already happen inside law courts, things already happen inside Parliament, things already happen inside the country, inside the municipality of Sierra Leone. That's Freetown. Teabaski say make it stay tuned for that one day. They go continue for the key updates, yeah. As we all know, say the Attorney General and the Minister of Justice, and I'm pull word coming out and say only one day they name this white paper. They don't give them travel ban, yeah. They're not for travel out of the country, whether by land, whether by sea, whether by air. Yes. Anyway, Teabaski say make it stay tuned for that one day. I they tell you, oh salon, salon, we all get tired. Anyway, now way. Teabaski say anyway, now way. Yes. Teabaski say make I put me inside the basket again. He said this one ain't look sweeter. He said in fact this one ain't look sweeter and better. Anyway, I don't say go and get this one. I did tell you. The main opposition party then label the white paper as legal fraud. Tell me why we get to be so. Hey, una sabires we hope so high. As we vote down, una put we can go slow. Oh, I go make us una question, una get any. Yes. Teabaski say the main opposition party. They say inside this white paper where come out from Papa government. So we slow anyone then we say, oh, God bless you, so you know we savior. To go to the Commission of Inquiry, they refer to her as a flaw. That means that they refer to her as a defeat, as a fault. Right. Anyway, stay tuned. The main opposition party, there's still a follow-up towards this white paper. They say that one. They say this white paper business. Yes. They say Papa government. They say then they look at and say this one are defeats. They say this one are fault finding. Anyway. Anyway, stay tuned for that one day. Until we all know the main opposition party, we don't pull press release them right cut across towards the white paper. You know. Anyway, Teabaski say it's you know the watcher. Yes. He says you know the watch will make you see what's in the follow up, yeah. He say one for see what's in the main opposition party for do towards the response. Right, and responding towards the white paper. As we all know, they don't pull some several notice them out. They say they consider the main right the white paper as legally flawed. Right, stay chief for the one day. Anyway, Teabaski says still a follow up towards that, yeah? Stay chief for the one day. Teabaski say one for remind Papa government. He say from where Papa government don't all project them. They don't put an inside project. He say no more come to past it. He say facts of not begin itself. He say hey, long not be that government with a pen and paper. Yeah, we have signed 30 billion check. We have signed a project of 30 billion US dollar. We have signed a project to electrify the entire district. We have signed a project to electrify the entire country. Anyway, some of them projects they are not kickstarted. Anyway, Teabaski say not for the happen soon. He say for me one at a time, yeah. When we capture this one, make sure we fulfill them. We jump to the other one. He say until we almost say Papa government don't put on Boku project there and they don't fund that, yeah. According to them. Anyway, Teabaski say them project and some not kickstarted too. Teabaski say yeah, it's still open, still a watch. He say the masses still a watch. Anyway now way, yeah. Teabaski say anyway now way. Anyway now way. Stay chief for our day. Teabaski come again this morning. They say this one is sweet and pass all. Teabaski say the ACC, Anti-Corruption Commission. Yes, the Anti-Corruption Commission of Sierra Leone. Right, the ACC, Anti-Corruption. Until you all know, anti mean against corruption. Fighting against corruption, Anti-Corruption Commission. That's the ACC. Wait, Team up Tranga one for fight against corruption. Don't invite the former president of Sierra Leone. Yes, for questioning on the 5th of October 2020. And they tell you, stay chief around it. Teabaski say, all my eye open. The masses eye open. Yes, the ace they open. Yes, one for see, one for look towards waiting they happen. As the ACC don't invite the former president. Right, for questioning, right, on the 5th of October 2020. I did tell you, what's waiting up on? I'll always stay chief for that one day. Oh, salon, we get some. I did tell you, Salomo, Sabi, we self, no wonder we want popular musicians say. They say, but they say they don't employ 30,000 youths. Who do they employ? Who do they not employ? We don't know, boy. He said, but Salo, we Sabi, we self. If they don't employ this man, I go not say they don't employ her. Hey, boy. Anyway, salon. When they see what's in the go on inside the country. Anyway, Teabaski say me I just the follow up this one. He said because I want to see a decent and peaceful Mama Salon. We want for be corruption free. Until we all know say the Anti-Corruption Commission really fights corruption. You know the midterm. This present Anti-Corruption Commission team meets corruption 70%. When I don't go down to 40%. You know, it's your 30 don't whip out. Anyway, we only fight corruption. We only put hands together for fight corruption. Teabaski say, me say the fight corruption. He said, me SSF and me team the fight corruption, yeah? Searching for our day, the 5th October. We want to see waiting, get for happen doing the questioning of the former president of this nation as the Anti-Corruption Commission not invite him, yeah? Searching for our day. Teabaski say make it stitching, yeah? Anyway, finally, inside the basket this morning, Teabaski say one popular musician. Yes, when I Emerson Bokari. Until we all know, he says somebody talk water. He talk and like saying Emerson talker. He talk towards the white paper, he respond. Until we all know, Teabaski say, and so one for correct some of them mistakes them yeah. And say because people then they don't want them they for scandal the next man. Teabaski say, well, the embassy of itself don't respond towards the audio where they go cut across. They say, but that audio they not to me pull and bo. They say, but let we come real. If we want to talk about the white paper, let we say talk. They say, let we talk about, let we not use other person name. He said, and the person use them perfectly like saying in the embassy. Anyway, Teabaski say no, bo. He said, embassy says they don't pull one coming out, yeah. Anyway, stay tuned for that one day. Yes. Sanitation inside the basket. And let me not forget to tell basket say bongology. They say bongology look the bongolize the university. And they tell you, and they see tell basket in party they smile. Bongology you want the bongolize the university. Anyway, tell basket say it's a long live bongology. As it only transform the life of casuals. Until you all know it, they say casual don't get blood. And they tell you, Teabaski say anyway, wait away. He say a one for tell bongology boku tenki. Yes, alongside the administration of the university. Teabaski say until we all know, he said the casuals them be the paying at table. He say bongology come, he say no, but this time for begin pay some man a bank now. Yes, some man for begin get checkbook. Teabaski team party get checkbook all. And they tell you just the smile is at the CEO. See man they cut check. Can you imagine casual they cut check? Papa, he said, well, you're gonna bang, go take on behalf of me. Anyway, Teabaski said, now them progress than they want for the sea. He said, because we are all humans. Yes, he said, you get forget you come promote a man a heart. Yes, you get forget the other people them at heart. Yes, Teabaski said, long live bongology. Long live the administration. He said, Jala University don't they transform. He said, by the grace of God, Jala University go transform for a better place. Yes. Anyway, Teabaski say don't they see now, they don't they call the casuals them. Waiting on the happen, verification. Anyway, bongology don't they try. Teabaski say one for see anyway. Sanitation they inside the basket, yeah. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Where they allow dirty they pack now we compound there. Now we communities there. Where they allow dirty water they gather. The mosquitoes they dance there. And they tell you anyway. The mosquitoes they dance. And Teabaski says some of them things there. He said when anything that can happen, it affects the next people them. Yes, because somebody adapt to mosquito. Somebody used to arata them. Somebody ain't compete now they sleep. He said, but now for the next man, he said, dear, let we the clean the communities there. Let we the brush. Teabaski said, we will get land there. Some of we land there on bush. He said, let we the try the brush we land there. He said, dear, fair play. And this video inside the basket for you this morning. Teabaski say, for the benefits of you just a come or you just a tune in. He said this is Jala University Radio. He said that they broadcast live now Jala campus. Call you chief from the heart of Moyamba district. Frequency modulation on 92.5. Yes, where they give you things where they happen cut across the nation. Teabaski they tell you about things where they happen. And they report the people to the people. For the people to the people. For a better nation. For a better Sierra Leone, a better nation. Yeah? Teabaski say and they go over the headlines again for you who just to join them. Or you will not be get the headlines there. They say click business don't turn wahala inside the community. The bobo they don't turn club business to fet. Chuk tif. Teabaski say not for the happen so. He say they watch now, they get the investigation. He say any bobo they lay on par. He say the Lord is better one. Yeah? And Teabaski also inside the headlines they be talk about. He say one suspect where they catch na Mayolo checkpoint and they come on McKinney they go na Kono. They catch her inside a bag with AK-47, 22-ounce bullets. Yes, can you imagine? Waiting to be in target, waiting not to in target. And then at McKinney police station for further investigations, yeah? Teabaski also inside the headlines. He said the acting general, a bigger party, Anthony General and Minister of Justice. He said don't pull banner to all the names away they inside the white paper. He said on no account they left this country without the notice, whether by land, whether by sea, whether by air. Stay tuned for that one day. And also Teabaski say inside the airlines, he said the main opposition party, he said they label the white paper as legally flawed. Yes. He said that one in a fault finding. Anyway, and Basket talk about, he said Papa government, he said they don't all Boku projects them. Most of them projects they are not begin it. So one for see say them projects they are kickstart, yeah. He said so let Papa government go the whole one after the other. Touch. And they tell you. Anyway, inside the headlines again, Basket say Anti-Corruption Commission where they fight strong one against corruption. They don't invite the former president right on the 5th of October. Waiting for waiting for happen. Yes, searching for that one day. And finally, MRC when a popular musician. Yes, the scandal I'm saying a pull audio against the white paper where no happen. So yeah. Now this and this video inside the baskets for you this morning. Basket say one for say Boku thank you. Make you stay tuned tomorrow for another edition at 9:15. This is Najala University Radio on FM 92.5. One for 10 Boku thank you. Yeah. Stay tuned for that one day. So till we meet any other time, we make the basket reach you. Me and Sidiki, Ezekiel Goma, commonly known as Gomez, yeah? So till we meet any other time, I'm for say tata.